My name is Jack. I worked at least 8 years with using Studylog. I was the SME for my group in my old company with Studylog. I have lots of experience with it. Studylog made everything much easier. It would talk to many of our devices. We used a chip scanner. We used a laptop that was connected via Bluetooth to calipers and a scale. Also, it showed data analysis and trends. You could see in an instant. You could call up a graph based on the data for that particular animal, and you could call up a graph and see if the animal's losing weight, is it gaining weight, what trends are we seeing. You could set up alerts so that if the animal measurements went outside a certain parameter, it would alert you and let you know that action needs to be taken. My favorite feature was that it had, when you're building the study, it had tabs that broke out each aspect of the study. Your first tab was the general overview of the study itself. Who was responsible for it. We had a lot of our studies that we mapped out originally in Excel. So you could take that Excel file and you could load it and save it in the Studylog file so that you had everything from beginning to end there. Randomization schemes were very useful to us. Basically, the initial building of the study was probably one of my favorites. But if you start running a lot of studies and it becomes kind of the bread and butter of what you do, like it was with me, Studylog is a definite benefit. It makes everything more smooth. You can set up a study really quick on the fly and then turn around and start taking measurements right away. Where I was working, Studylog was covering not just our site and our group, it was covering sites all over the United States, and was able to keep everything together and be flexible enough to handle all the different areas of study in my old company.